All right, hello and welcome everyone. My name is Brandon Boyd. I'm a leader at IMarketsLive. Excited to be on here tonight. Appreciate you guys for taking time out of your busy evening to be here. This is being recorded, so if you do have people who are not able to get on tonight, we'll make sure and get this recording blasted out to them. And just a little bit of background on myself first off. So I've been in the industry for about 17 years. I've had almost 1 million people on my team. Been a master distributor twice. I'm married. I've got 5 children. My wife is due with our 6th child in 1 month from this day. So we're pretty excited about it. And well, I say pretty excited. We're actually really excited about it. So another girl. So we'll have 5 girls, 1 boy. He's the oldest, so he's overwhelmed, but he is the oldest, so he does feel grateful to be in control. And so anyway, excited to have you guys on tonight. So I want to give you guys a brief overview on IMarketsLive and all the exciting changes we've had take place over the last week to help you guys really actually to make more money and stay legally compliant long term. And so hopefully you guys can see my screen, and let me make sure that you guys can. Okay, perfect. So let's pull this up here. Okay, there we go. All right, so there was actually a book, guys, I read at 19 years old called Cash Flow Quadrant, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and what he talked about was the 4 quadrants: the employee, self-employed, business owner, and investor. My goal tonight with you guys is to help you move from the left side of the quadrant to the right, and the reason being is because 95% of the people are on the left side, yet they control 5% of the world's wealth, whereas 5% are on the right side, they control 95% of the world's wealth, and that is with IMarketsLive, how you can actually be on the right side of the quadrant, be a business owner and an investor at the exact same time. So just a little bit of background on the company. So it was founded in 2012, established in over 120 countries, and it is debt-free and profitable. A debt-free and profitable company, guys, and excited to be able to label that. It looks like I got a spelling in there. I'll fix that. But excited, guys, to be a part of a company that by July now will be 4 years, went through the bumps in the road to get where we're at today. We've now signed up 8,000 people over the last 4 or 5 days with a promo that we've had going on. So guys, we're growing like crazy and excited to be here. The behind the scenes, Christopher Terry, the founder and CEO of the company. He's been featured in books, magazines. He's a featured speaker in New York City and Vegas at the Traders Expo. He's been on the Money Show, Bloomberg Radio, been teaching and mentoring people for over 2 decades. And I feel proud and privileged to have him behind the scenes, but yet in front on live webinars every day, teaching people how to trade and to profit right from home. So guys, now some of the people who get on these webinars, some are going to say, well, you know, money's not going to make you happy. And here's the reality is a lot of times that comes from a broke in-law, you know, whether it's a brother-in-law or sister-in-law that might be a little bit jealous. And so if you're not interested in making money, then you can go ahead, you can hop off this webinar. It's not a problem. I'm not going to be offended at all. But if you are, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you several different ways that you can make money with IMarketsLive. And the first way is through the foreign exchange markets, which does over $5 trillion a day in business, folks. $5 trillion a day. And what I want to do is show you a very simple video on how the foreign exchange markets work, just to give you guys a little bit of background if you don't know the power of this market. Pull up this video for you. Second.
What is Forex? The foreign exchange market is the place where currencies are traded. Currencies are important to most people around the world, whether they realize it or not, because currencies need to be exchanged in order to conduct foreign trade and business. If you're living in the US and you want to buy cheese from France, either you or the company that you buy the cheese from has to pay the French for the cheese in euros, EUR. This means that the US importer would have to exchange the equivalent value of US dollars, USD, into euros. The same goes for traveling. A French tourist in Egypt can't pay in euros to see the pyramids because it's not the locally accepted currency. As such, the tourist has to exchange the euros for the local currency, in this case the Egyptian pound, at the current exchange rate. The need to exchange currencies is the primary reason why the Forex market is the largest, most liquid financial market in the world. It dwarfs other markets in size. Even the stock market, with an average traded value of around 2,000 billion US dollars per day. The total volume changes all the time, but as of 2012, the Bank for International Settlements, BIS, reported that the Forex market traded in excess of 4.9 trillion US dollars per day. One unique aspect of this international market is that there's no central marketplace for foreign exchange. Rather, currency trading is conducted electronically, over the counter, OTC, which means that all transactions occur via computer networks between traders around the world, rather than one centralized exchange. The market is open 24 hours a day, 5.5 days a week, and currencies are traded worldwide in the major financial centers of London, New York, Tokyo, Zurich, Frankfurt, Hong Kong, Singapore, Paris and Sydney, across almost every time zone. This means that when the trading day in the US ends, the Forex market begins anew in Tokyo and Hong Kong. As such, the Forex market can be extremely active any time of the day, with price quotes changing constantly.
Okay, so I hope that gave you guys an understanding of the power of the foreign exchange market. So what I want to do is show you how through that you can make money with IMarketsLive. So we first have the Forex Trade Signal Service, guys, and this is so extremely powerful. It is absolutely the reason why I came to this company, because how many of you guys would like hands-free market experts to do the trading for you? Okay, hands-free. So we've got market experts. Let me show you exactly how this works. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you right to our page. I'm going to go to fxsignalslive.com. This is our mirror trader site. So again, fxsignalslive.com, and click on traders at the top. And what you're going to see here is we have 5 traders, okay? And through these traders that we have, you can see their growth percentages over a certain number of weeks, okay, with their gains and the number of pips, which we have in our training, what that means. So let me show you Smooth Sterling as an example. So with Smooth Sterling, what you need to concentrate on is this purple line right here. This is over a period of time. You can look at how his trades have continually increased. And guys, they even lose money, okay? But the key is, do they win most of the time? And the answer is yes, right here. 77% growth over how many weeks? We go back. I'll give you again the number of weeks. Right here, 29 weeks, 77%. That's phenomenal, okay? It'll show today, the week, the month, and even the last year. You can look at all the open trades. You can look at the closed trades. So you can literally go page after page after page of trades and see how they've been doing. If it's green, that's profit. If it's red, it means they lost. And guys, they are going to lose. They're not going to win every single time. They're not always going to profit. But guys, here's the reality. This is hands-free. It's a set it and forget it model. It does all the trading for you. We have low risk, medium risk, and high risk traders. The good news is it's kind of like a mutual fund. You get to choose who you want to go with, okay? And extremely powerful. And again, it's the reason why I came to the company is, look, we have a way for you to be able to trade and to make profits on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis with a hands-free mirror trade. So that is the first product, and we have documentation, which I already showed you there. Product number 2, this is the harmonic pattern scanner for Forex. Now, guys, this is extremely powerful. For those who want to do live trading, they want to take out and minimize the risk, okay? What they can do is they can use our patented harmonic scanner, and what it's going to do is it will indicate to you when the best time is to get into a particular trade, when the best time is to get out of that trade, do a stop loss or a take profit. And so what it does is it takes out a lot of the guesswork, because what it's looking at is patterns. It's looking at histories, and it's giving predictions as to where it's going to go. And so you're going to see that it's accurate about 70 to 80% of the time. And we can document that with how our harmonic scanner has done. We do this every single day inside of our live trading rooms. And I'm going to tell you guys, you will absolutely love our harmonic scanner with how powerful it is and how much it can take out a lot of the guesswork that you might do in trying to learn Forex trading. And then product number 3 is the live trading room. This is where you guys get an opportunity to trade side by side with a pro. The CEO of the company's got a net worth of almost $90 million, folks. $90 million, Mr. Christopher Terry, where you can literally watch and look over the shoulder and learn exactly how he enters a trade, how he sets the risk, and how he places the profit targets. So we have these 5 days a week, both the London session and New York session. So if you guys want to participate in those, we have several thousand people every single day inside of our live trading room. So that is the third product that we have with iMarkets Live. Now, J. Paul Getty gave a great quote. He said, "I'd rather have 1% of the effort of 100 men than 100% of my own effort." So what that's talking about is time and leverage. So if you can get other people to do what you're doing, that's going to create more open time for you to be able to leverage, since you only have so many hours in a day. So what we've done is we've put together a program that if you guys simply want to share this with others, okay, if you just simply want to share it with others, you guys can get your product for free and you can even make some money. Okay, so here's an example. If you were to just share this with 3 individuals, even as a customer, because you'll end up getting your own referral link, okay, what's going to happen is the company is going to allow you to use the product for free. All right, so if you refer it to 3 individuals, they decide they want the platinum package, which has the mirror trader, harmonic scanner, and the live trading room, you're going to get your product for free. All right, now if you end up wanting to build this as a business, okay, you can become an independent business owner. All right, that's when you hit a platinum 600. And a platinum 600 is a person who they taught those 3 people to do the same thing. All right, so those 3, they wanted to help their 3 get those people's product for free so that they could literally have no overhead. They could have free product, share with others. They're a platinum 600. That means they're making a residual now of $600 every single month. Now, guys, if the average person had an extra $500-600, 90% would not file bankruptcy. Do you understand that? How powerful that is? Okay, if you want to take it to the next level, people are going to start sharing with others. You're going to get a $5 to $10 override every single time that someone on your team decides to share this. It's a one-time team builder bonus that is paid on a weekly basis. All right, so hold on one second. Let me make sure that I just want to make sure and again confirm that you, okay, perfect. So I think I saw someone that said that they couldn't see the screen. Okay, now the rank achievement bonus, we have a formula called B3H3G3, which stands for Bring 3, Help 3, Get 3. So a platinum 150. So again, that is a person who has referred 3 people. Again, they could just be customers. They get the product for free. Platinum 600, they now have 12 people. They're independent business owner. They decided if they want to upgrade to an independent business owner, they're going to make a residual of $600 a month. Platinum 1,000. They have 50 subscribers. Now, again, that doesn't mean that you had to go out and get 50 subscribers. Okay, that just means that your team, the customers and the IBOs on your team, referred all of these people to iMarkets Live. You're going to make 1,000 a month, 2,000 a month, 4,000 a month as that subscriber base grows. Okay, people naturally start sharing. Why? Because they truly see the value in what we are doing. They truly see the value in what we're doing. The Chairman Club bonus is for those who take it to a serious level. When you start to have several hundred people on your team, from 500 to 750 to 2,000, the companies can pay you $8,000, $16,000, $20,000 a month or more residual. Folks, we have people doing this in the company right now as we speak that are literally making tens of thousands of dollars every single month, month after month after month, as a part of this company. Okay, so 1 second here. Wanted to show you guys something else here real quick. Okay, so that's the Chairman Club bonus. The team residual bonus, guys. Again, this is a 3x8 matrix. Every person that comes in the company can fall inside of this 3x8 matrix, which pays $1.50 for every single person inside of that matrix. It's a customer. Okay, so it doesn't matter if it's a customer or an independent business owner. All right, what's going to happen is, let's say that I got 10 customers. Okay, now those customers will all fill one single spot in that matrix. So there's a lot of money to be made inside of that 3x8 matrix on this team residual bonus. It's paid every single month. So this is a monthly bonus, again, on the 3x8 matrix. We do have a 100% check match. So for example, let's say that I have 3 active customers. Again, I got my product free. I'm going to get a 50% check match off all of those people that have personally enrolled that go decide to share. So let's say that Joe sponsors Mary. Mary builds an income of $1,000 a month. Well, because I'm the one that enrolled Mary, I'm going to get $1,000 check match. Or if I'm at 50%, I'm going to get 500. But if I have 5 customers, I'm going to get 75% of her check. If I have 8 customers, I now get 100% of her check. Okay, so this is phenomenal. This is a 100% check match bonus paid every single month. Okay, and this is powerful, and it goes along with the matrix. Again, what I just showed right here, it is the matrix bonus. It is the check match from your people that you have personally enrolled. Now, guys, the timing is critical, okay, because we have a 3x8 force matrix that rewards fast action takers, and there's literally zero risk to lock your spot inside of that matrix. We have amazing products that are wanted by millions of people, products that actually help people to make money. And then we have a powerful pay plan that allows you to earn bonuses very quickly, and then with a simple system where, guys, you can literally just share a link to our live webinars, okay, or even just share a Facebook post or a video, a YouTube video with others of this exact presentation that does all the talking for you, does all the explaining for you. All you have to do is invite and share, and then you can literally get free product, and then you can potentially make money beyond that as well. So, guys, what I want to do is I want to make sure that we get all your questions answered. There is actually a question box that is there in front of you. Now, one of the things is I want to bring up is we have the package for the platinum package. It's $195. We do have a promo going on right now, guys. You can get this for $1. In fact, let me show you how. Okay, if you go to our site right now, the person who referred you here, let's say I went to IMarketsLive.com. Okay, all you have to do is get the link of the person who referred you here. So you go right here, it says get started. You're going to see the platinum package right here. Okay, see that dollar promo? You can click on that, click become a customer, and it's going to take you to the platinum package. You click add to cart, and it's going to take you right here, $1. And then you add that, and then you just go through the process, and it'll get you set up. So, guys, what it's going to do, let me go back to the PowerPoint slide. This fee right here for $195, it's waived. You're going to get a free setup for $1. If you decide to stay after that promo, you just pay the monthly. So it's $145. Okay, $145 every month. That's month to month. That's going to give you the harmonic scanner, mirror trader, and live trading room. It is completely worth it. Trust me, the value is there. And then there is no other ongoing fees besides that. Okay, there's month to month. There's no contract. We even give a 7-day full money back guarantee. So here's what I want to do. I want to make sure that we get your questions answered. And so there's a question box in front of you. You can type in it. And anything about, okay, 1 second. Let me get this one answered. Okay. Okay, since we already have paid extra to be in the premium, why do we have to pay an additional? Okay, so that is if, Roger, that is if you want to stay as an independent business owner, because there's a monthly fee for that anyway. Okay, and then you just keep paying for your platinum package. All right. Okay, so any other questions that you guys have on the products, the harmonic scanner, the live trading room, the mirror trader, look back through some of these slides I went through here. Anything about the foreign exchange markets, Christopher Terry, anything else that you guys feel like that you need and want to know before you move forward and make a decision? Because I want to make sure that you guys get back in contact, with the person who invited you here, and let them know how you want to move forward. Now, we do these every Monday and Wednesday. I want to show you where you can get access to these. If you like what you saw tonight, I have on IMLtrain.com. You see that URL at the top. Click on events. And under events right here, I do these every Monday and Wednesday. So you can invite people to be on here Wednesday with that exact link right there. And then we do our Saturday, what's called your first 72 hours. That's where I help get people set up. So again, IMLtrain.com/events. And that'll take you right to that. So again, let's look at any other questions. Yes, we do have this on YouTube, this exact presentation. Okay. Do you guys like what you saw tonight? Raise those digital hands. Okay, what are the chances of IML extending the promotion? It's possible. We're talking to the executives to see if we're going to run another promo. Simplest way to start learning the Forex trading system, simplest way is to get on our live trading webinars and also visit babypips.com. Babypips.com will teach you some of the basics of Forex and how it works. And then we have our live trading room. In fact, we're coming out with an IML Academy, and Christopher Terry, the CEO, is actually going to train on that. And so that'll give all the basics. How often do you hold the live webinars? I just showed you that. Mondays and Wednesdays on imltrain.com. Click on events, and you'll see I do these every Monday and Wednesday. And then I do my Saturday trainings for all new representatives as well as customers in iMarkets Live. And again, this has been recorded, so I will be blasting this out via email, Facebook, and my YouTube channel. So if you guys had individuals who you wanted to have on here tonight, I'll make sure and post this recording to my YouTube channel, again, Facebook, as well as your emails attached to this. I'll send it out to you that you can share with others. So guys, I think that's all the questions we have for now. Get back in contact with the person who invited you here. Let them know how you want to move forward. And again, this call has been recorded. This is Brandon Boyd, a leader at iMarkets Live, signing off. Have a great night, everyone.